Being alone, nobody else around, and no winch, I'd rather just play it safe. Not worth getting stuck and nobody here. Probably go down there a little way, but that's probably wet and about 6 inches of mud. Probably gonna get stuck back there. So I was gonna come down to the lake, down at the boat launch here, and yeah, still too much snow. I guess that's blocked off, never used to be. I was actually gonna head up there this spring, but I guess not. But ended up turning around here, and now we'll head back out. It is rough as all heck. There's the entrance to the campground. This is about 10-15 minutes uptown, not very far. One of a few campgrounds. But this is why I can't really go out and get muddy or hit any trails or anything. This is a campground road. Like this is what it's like 5 minutes out of town anywhere you go. The other side of town, just a little bit up higher in elevation. A week or so ago, this was nothing but snow, so it's melting a little bit. But I guarantee you hit this corner, and I'm gonna have to turn around. Well, I've already made it past where I turned around a week ago. Down here in a long time. I think I'm just gonna turn around. It's just gonna get slick and snowy and nothing I can do up here anyways. Being alone, nobody else around, and no winch, I'd rather just play it safe. Not worth getting stuck and nobody here. This is why I need flares. I hardly touched mud, but they stick out enough that they just make a mess.